don't like the hit.
I dropped my pistol. Guys.
Can I borrow something?
And I was like, baby.
What's going on?
I need a moke.
He said he was playing, my bad. He said he was playing with Charlotte.
Chill.
What's
This man gets shot in the. Whoa, you okay? Let me see that. The pain will end. The pain will. Dude, we had enough of this room. I wasn't me. It literally was you, bro. I'm not even wrong. Yeah, he's a glitch. Look at that goober.
Yeah.
Hey, literally, he killed him. I don't have that gun.
Don't do that.
I don't have that
Hey,
gun.
detective.
I didn't even do
Can
anything.
you get a med kit? I'm low.
Sir. Hold it.
18
Hold it.
Is that ammo in it? Of course it doesn't.
Please don't kill me.
I am going to.
Oh.
I hit him. I hope that's a T so I can get some credits. Oh, damn. Was it him? I was right. Oh, hell no.
You should have Timmy. I was gonna get you a medkit, but I didn't have enough money.
Oh, he won.
Going to turn on
I
the.
didn't hear the noise. Reloading!
Shoot as Clint.
This is not a gun,
What
this
did
is
I
a
do?
party, this is a
I just
confetti
joined.
shooter.
What is
Clearly.
your name?
Clearly shoots fun
is
confetti for fun. For fun time, for fun.
Like, what is that?
I'm going up here, I'd rather be up here than
Hey,
down.
grab
Let's go.
I don't know how I'm gonna keep track of all these people dying.
Innocence win.
I'm not gonna kill myself because that'd be more editing.
Yes! Get him out!
That's the wrong person.
Get him out, boys! Get him out!
That's the wrong person. It's S. Clan.
Oh. Sorry. What did I
Shoots
do?
confetti.
I did nothing!
It was him. It was him.
It wasn't I just was doing it! I just died! What are you guys doing? We didn't do anything!
Damn, that's crazy. I'm survivalist again! That's the third game in a row! I got survivalist again! I'm so done with this freaking game. Wow, you killed everyone except for the right person. Oh, I killed that T. I was screaming about being survivalist for the third time in a row. Why'd you kill me?
Damn, detective did not really care.
Hey guys, it was the 3T clan. Like, he's just full on being autistic.
Is he hiding in the... He's hiding in the shower. Are you kidding me? Oh, he got a ping. He's dead.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Oh, you got a ping. He's in the shower, you dumb...
Well, at in the showers.
He's lagging. He lagged in the line.
You guys can play Gorilla Tag. I'm gonna play by myself. What did that was
The same.
What
One,
Hey,
one minute.
Go back to whoever said that was shooting you.
Selly
like this
VR 1 is the person that's saying you want to play minigame.
Oh yay! Everybody just target Sally VR.
Selly VR, Selly VR.
What up?
Hey, you guys wanna? Here, you guys want team?
If y'all want my gun, go grab it. Oh, I'm detective. I'm not buying another gun yet.
He said he wants to play minigame. It says
Oh. Dude, literally. The guy right behind you. I swear to God,
Make
both
it.
of y'all.
Yeah,
I'll
you
be
should
so
get a make
pissed.
it. You
Hey,
should
get
get a
away
make
from me,
it.
bro.
You should get a
Damn.
med kit. You're damaged. Look at
I don't have any. Oh, I do have one credit.
you start with credits.
If it's you, I'm gonna be really sad. It's not opening.
Oh, thank you,
Healing.
detective.
He's gonna appear in one of the windows. Be careful. I swear to God, if it's both of you. I told you.
You can't kill the jester without, unless you're a fucking terrorist.
More editing.
Hey, Mike.
Join my cult, please. Join my cult, please, please.
Hey, clown guy's trying to start a cult. He's a little bit of a goober.
I'm sorry.
Move, move,
Wait,
move,
what?
move. Clown guy's trying to start a cult. Clown guy's trying to start a cult. Oh shit.
Why the traitor shot me too? Hold on, who is that traitor?
Innocence wet.
I'm killing you next round.
King Selly also, he random killed.
I don't know.
Who?
Anything! I know, that's the no that you want to kill. That's the no you want to kill, dude.
I'm targeting Shade, Longchair, Landry, whatever you say. He shot me when I was a traitor with him. So I lost.
Yeah, let's kill him. I hate him.
Are you?
Oh, no, he left the
I've been
game.
survivalist
Never mind.
4 out of 5 times. 4 out of the 5 games I played, I've been survivalist, which is just crazy.
Excuse me.
Frag grenade.
Excuse me.
You-
Okay.
Does he not realize he needs to reload? I thought you killed him. I thought you killed him, bruh.
Yeah, you did. Dance if you're gay, bro. Dance
Wait,
if
who's
you're
left?
gay,
Who's
bro.
left? Oh, the
Hey,
Jets.
somebody check the body of the prison
Shoot
on the second
it.
cell, top floor. See if that was a traitor.
Don't shoot me.
It's
I'm not going.
Someone shoots their
Check the
game.
body.
do the
You traitor. You traitor.
I figured. I saw him kill somebody.
I killed the traitor too. I saw a guy kill detective. There's a guy over there. I saw a guy walk over there.
I guess. Kill
I'll
him.
go kill him. If I die,
Hey!
traitor.
Come on! Shoot at him! You dead!
How did you not see him? How did you not see him?
I did not see that.
Innocence wet.
I forgot about that guy being over there. I forgot about that guy. Shut up, bro!
Whoever keeps yelling. Whoever keeps yelling.
Shut up!
Can we kick the kid actually? Can we kick that kid?
Yeah, look for him.
Hunter, join my pit. Join my pit. Anyone who comes in here. We gotta
People
kill
get the name
anyone
Noel
who
because
comes in.
people get the name Noel because they've been kicked a lot, and I
Yeah,
feel like it's one of
kill
the.
him.
We gotta kill whoever it is. Traitor, innocent, glitch, death.
Hey, yo.
No, whoever's talking right now, can we kill him?
Ready?
Oh, no, I'm getting.
Oh, what are y'all
I'm
doing?
hiding. Oh, no, I'm in here with you.
Wait, wait.
You didn't kill me, so. Oh wait, you're the tank.
Wait, no.
Hey, he was laughing. He was going.
Yeah, I saw it.
Who was it? Who was it? Who was laughing? Kick whoever was laughing. What was his name?
It was Jay. His name started
He was
Jay.
lone wolf. Oh shit.
Alright, I guess that's the kid we gotta kick.
I killed survivor. I didn't do that. Out here? All right.
He was in ice
I can't
and
move.
I just headshot him with a
Innocent
shot.
How'd the other guy die? Oh, he's glitched.
Everybody mocks the kid that yelled stop.
Nope.
Yeah,
get him out, get him out.
Yelling.
It was Tim guy. Yeah.
Are
let's
we
go.
gonna go like one or two more? I don't know. I have no idea.
That guy literally killed
Try
me.
Simon, he had only 16.
Do I count that? Do I keep? I'm not gonna count it because it's not well, whatever. I'll probably count it. No.
He wasn't innocent. What?
I'm pre-round. That's my role. Pre-round. Swear to God, if that guy shoots me in the
Yeah,
back.
but you killed that dude. He was the
Oh.
detective
Bro.
too. Look.
No, he's right there.
Detective. Detective, right? Like.
I got random killed by the detective, and then the
Yeah,
innocent
well,
was
you can
killing
come back and
everyone.
help me. That
Like
would
a
be great.
freaking nerd. Kill him.
Dude, sorry, I don't know what's going on. What's happening over here?
Bro, you're right there, bro. What-